This is where I currently keep my fruits. That's not good. We're about to fix that. Let's unbox this and set it up. This thing is taking forever to set up. I am sweating. I finally figured out how to do it. So glad that I finally set this up. I almost cried when I found out that the clip I recorded the first time setting this thing up did not record. It doesn't exist. So I'm glad that I finally got this on camera. If you're enjoying the vlog so far, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. The baby is awake. I am going to give her a change of clothes and wipe her face and put some oil on it. She does not take a bath during the day. I give her a bath at night, so she's okay to just get a wipe on her face and some new clothes. So let's do that. By the way, my daughter is going to be 2 months tomorrow. Today is the 17th. Tomorrow she's gonna be 2 months old. I'm so excited. All right. Here's Mama. She's smiling. Look at her smile. So pretty. Let's go. I think I need to give her breast milk. I need to feed her and then comb her hair, guys. I am exhausted. My makeup is already getting sweaty. I need to retouch my makeup. I just left her to sit here and have a little time to herself while I finish up with my decor. I just have her on top of her jumper so she can play. Hi, baby. With her dog. She loves this dog. Have fun, okay? Mommy is gonna go do some work. As you can see, this is what my wine top stand looks like without any decor. There's nothing on it, so I will be decorating it today. I got this stuff. I just need to put them on top. I don't have to go to the store or buy anything, so enjoy. Again, please subscribe, like, comment, okay, share the vlog. Enjoy. What do you all think? Let me know what you think. I fed the baby, so she's really chatty in the background. I'm guessing you guys can hear her. My packages from Temu have arrived, so time for some unboxing. I love unboxing. I think that might be a separate video. I'm just going to end this vlog here, and then I will be doing the unboxing and try on for the stuff I got from Temu in a separate video. So I'm just going to end the vlog. Have a beautiful day, guys. Okay, I'll see you guys in another video. I am also going to be decorating my dining area because I got some stuff to decorate it too. So watch out for those vlogs. I'll be uploading all those videos on the channel. That's it. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I'm gone. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Please subscribe.